Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add shapes in DaVinci Resolve. Well, the first step would be to go here, Effects, and in Fusion Composition, take a layer to the timeline. Now go here and press Shift plus Space. Here, look for background. And link it with Media Out 1. Here you can select the color you want. In type, we can change it to gradient if you want. Okay, now we will select background and press Shift plus Space. Here look for rectangle, and you will have a rectangle. If you search for ellipse, you'll get a circle. And if you search for triangle, you'll get a triangle. And in polygon, you can create any shape you want. Okay, now if we want to remove the fill, we will uncheck these two boxes. And here we will adjust to our liking. We can also animate it. Just set it to 0. Then add a keyframe here. Now select in the time bar how far you want the animation to end. And place one here. And the animation will be applied. If you found the video useful, please leave me a like, a subscribe, and also leave me a shout out in the comments. I really appreciate it. Thank you.